So now we are going to use button, then we'll have the label and the text box. So, so let's insert first a text box, and then we'll need a label and a button. Alright, so before you continue, you have to make sure that you name these controls, server controls, so that you could reference it easily later. So we'll have the label, empty label, so the property to change is text, and then the ID will have it have the output. And for the text box, since this will be the source of our value, we'll have source, then the button we have say submit, then we'll change the text into submit. Alright, so let's try this one. So the objective of this demo is first, the user will the user should be able to enter a text in text box and then display the text or transfer it to the label that we have inserted. Okay, so now to do this, you have to determine the event or what event would occur if you want to implement that. So to insert an event, so refer to this part, properties window, and then you will see there a lightning icon. So just click that lightning icon, then it will now list all the possible events for this server control button. So for example, in this click, we'll have here execute display. So whatever right here will be the name of the method for that event. Alright, so let's determine first the action. So again, the user will enter the text box once the submit button is clicked, and then the output will be displayed in this label. So we have here, so the output control will receive the value, and then it will get the value from source, which is our text box. So let's try to execute this one. Right, so since we removed the text of the label, so it seems like it's not there. No? Pero actually, nala na siya dara. So for example, we want to try then the click event, and automatically the text of the text box will be copied by the label above. No? So that's how easy to use these controls. Now let's try another experiment. So for example, once we click a certain button, it will insert the current date and time. Okay, so let's name first this button. Right, so remember what we changed is just the property text, no? So you have to make sure to change the ID. That's the most important property. Alright, so for example, on click of display date button in output, which is our label, will display the current date. Right, let's try this one. So you see there the current date once you click that display date button. Now if you have noticed, we use the now. So now means the current date and time. So if we'll just leave now and then we'll use it in our display, so it actually contains the current date and time, as I have said. So what if you want to get the time part only or the date part only? So you could use format to change the display. So for example, we have here format now, and then enclosed would be the format that you want to display. I have attached also the list of links for this demo for your reference. No? So for the list of links, for the list of format for date and time, so refer to link 1. Okay, so we'll try first the date and time. Sorry, it's for the minute. Alright, so what happened earlier is that we've used the small m's. So small m's in the format reference, it refers to minutes. So to refer for months, just use capital M. Right, and let's finish this one, display time. So we have here the display time, same with the current time that we have. Now, what if we would like to insert AM or PM at the time part, no? So near the second, so just add letter T. Right? So again, just refer to the reference table provided by Microsoft. So let's try again, display time. So you would see there the indicator, either AM or PM. So that's it. Thank you.